Hello, this is Michael Kinnett with Eternal Networks, here with one of our weekly videos, and I wanted to talk to you about a product called Microsoft Teams. With the massive shift last year because of COVID-19 with remote workers and remote meetings, many of you have experienced going through remote meetings with different tools like Zoom, GoToMeeting, Google Meet, Skype, and there's others. One of the tools available for remote meetings and for collaboration is Microsoft Teams. But I found that a lot of my clients and people I talk with aren't really aware of what Teams is and a lot of its features. So I wanted to take some time today and on the next couple of videos to discuss Teams, what it is, and how it can be used to improve your collaboration within your business. So first I want to give a little background on Microsoft Teams. It was first released in 2017, and Microsoft pitched it as a hub for team collaboration. It helps to integrate people, content, applications across your organization, and can even help to facilitate collaborating with individuals outside of your company for projects and outsourced work. Many companies use Teams for chat, but they don't use it for any of the other features and benefits. Teams offers individual chat, group chat, calendaring, video conferencing, live events, webinars, file sharing, and app integration. There's a free version available with Microsoft Teams, but to get all of the benefits available, then you need to have a Microsoft 365 Business or Enterprise subscription. I wanted to show you today a little bit of Teams on this video. So I'm going to demo from my desktop, show you some of the features that are available, kind of very high level overview of Teams. And then on my next video, I want to dig into the meetings feature, how to host a meeting, how to join a meeting, and the features of that. And then later on, I'm going to show you how to use Teams to host a live event, or even how to join Teams online events. Here you can see my instance of Microsoft Teams that we use extensively within our organization. I'm going to go high level over it with you, the different areas of it, what it is, and kind of discuss some of the main features. So on the left, these are the main sections of Microsoft Teams. At the top, you've got your activity feed, and this is a feed of everything in Teams that you're following: chat, groups or teams and their channels, notifications, etc. Next is followed by the chat section. The chat section can be individual chat with individual users, and it can also be groups. In order to create a new chat message, you can click New Chat, type the person's name that you want to chat with. I'm going to chat with Rachel here. And I can also chat with Charles if I needed to discuss something with the team. That will then pop up as a notification on both of those users' desktops, and any responses will go to the entire group. You can also view the history of the chat by scrolling up and down. Within the chat, you can thumbs up, give hearts, laughs, different emoticons for each message. You can also use GIFs. Those are built in. There's a Giphy integration that allows you to search for, different images and stuff. Here's a cat riding a unicorn if that floats your boat. And you can send that to have a little bit of office humor with your organization. The next section down is called Teams. And this can get a little bit confusing because it's teams inside of teams. Basically, what this is different groups. These are set up by your administrator. You may or may not have permission to create your own teams in the application. So right here, you've got your list of teams that I'm a part of. I've got my company-wide team, a technicians team, marketing, alerts. I'm not going to go too deep into any one of these on this video, but you'll notice within the list here, we have they're known as channels underneath each team. So under company-wide, we've got general, laughs, and news. And these can be for more focused discussions on specific areas. There's not really any right answer or wrong answer on how to use this portion of Teams. This works exactly like chat and the group chat, except that it's with a specific focused team. You'll also notice on here there's posts, there's different tabs. There's posts, files, wiki, and the internet. There's different things that you can add in here. I'll try on a future video and go into some of the apps and integrations available on Teams. But any files that you share within this team, and this channel will show up in here. So most of these are going to be humor related, since we're in the laughs channel of the company-wide team. The next section here is calendar. This integrates with your calendar through Microsoft 365. So it's the same calendar that you're going to see if you log into Outlook on the web or Outlook on your desktop app, or if you have your account on your mobile device. It's the same calendar that's on there. It's synchronized back and forth. This is useful when you want to schedule meetings within Microsoft Teams. So you can create a meeting, schedule a meeting, or a live event. And I'm going to discuss both of those features on future videos. So make sure you tune back in for those. There's a lot of other features within Microsoft Teams, but I want to keep this video short, not get too deep in the technical stuff of it, and stop there. Please tune back in next week for the video on using meetings inside of Teams. There will also be a future video on using the live events feature. And at some point I'll also show you some of the other advanced app integrations. That is really where Microsoft Teams can become a very powerful collaboration tool within your organization. If you have any specific questions about Microsoft Teams, how it works, or any other questions about how we use it, make sure you post those in the comments below, and look forward to chatting with you in the future. Thank you.